Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reagan if this is your first time here. And today what I want to do is I'm going to be opening a new subscription that I have recently subscribed to, so I'm super excited about it. The brand is, or the subscription company is Yes Oh Yes. And they were kind enough to let me become an ambassador for the company. Now, with that being said, I do want to tell you I did pay for this subscription, and I will be paying for it every month. So they are not paying me to give an opinion that they want. This will be my own opinion on what comes in the bag. Now, from what I understand is with this subscription, it is $15 a month, and you are guaranteed that every bag is going to be over like $69 at least, if not more. So just want to kind of put that out there. Now, with it being, like I said, being an ambassador, they did give me a code that you can use to get 10% off, and that is HUNNI, H-U-N-N-I. So if you do want to subscribe to this makeup subscription, you can get a little bit of a percentage off. Now, obviously, that does give me a little bit of money back for doing that. But again, like I said, this is going to be completely unbiased opinion on it. So one thing I do like so far, just pulling out, is that it does come with a little paper that goes over everything that is in the box. It also even does the total down at the bottom of what everything comes up to. So obviously the very first thing in the box, which is the biggest thing in there, this is what I was thrilled about. I have never gotten a subscription box that actually came with a full set of brushes. You will get like maybe one or two, maybe even three in a box, but not like a full. This is a full 12-piece makeup brush set that does include a pink case. Now the case, I can tell you from just the looking at it, is not like some high-end case. And that doesn't hurt my feelings because I have a cosmetic makeup bag thingy somewhere that whenever I bought the whole set of those, I can't even tell you where that's at because I don't use it. Everything goes into my little brush holders anyways. So with this Crown Brush 12-piece vegan brush set, apply makeup for a flawless finish with these 12 fabulous brushes in pretty pink carrying case. Now this retails for value is $29.99. I already have some Crown brushes and I am a huge fan of them as it is, but this is what it looks like. So it looks like, where did I lose that paper? Oh well. We're gonna kind of go over which each brush is. Doesn't look like it has anything on it saying what you could use each one of them for, which is fine. That doesn't hurt my feelings at all, for the simple fact that I never go by what they say anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one out. So this is what it looks like. They are really soft for being vegan brushes, and just kind of pulling at it and everything like that, not having any kind of shedding, anything. I really like the way they feel, and I do like the whole white to pink top. It kind of reminds me of the ones that Wet n Wild came out with, except these have a black handle to them, with the writing in pink as well. So this one looks like it could be a blush, I guess, a blush brush here, or a face brush altogether. I'm going to pull them all out. Now this one is a little bit angular, so that one would be really good for contouring, kind of bronzing wise. I like that one. Let's see here. Then you have quite a few eyeshadow brushes, I would have to say, which is nice. You can never go wrong with having eyeshadow brushes, in my opinion. I'm going to kind of pull out each one of those that I believe would be what we would consider eyeshadow. Alright, so these look like these would all be the ones that are eyeshadow brushes. You have an angled one, 2 flat ones that are a little bit different size, and then another one. This one would be really good as a smudger. After that, you do have this one, which this could be kind of, you could use this as a lipstick brush, you could use it as an eyeliner brush. Really up to you as to how you want to use that one. And then you do have this one, which I would definitely say this is a eyeliner brush here. So it is very small point, get the stiffness out of it. So that one is really nice, and it even comes with like a little clear plastic thing that goes over it to protect it. Then we have one other face brush here. This is a fan brush. I have like, this will probably be like my 3rd or 4th fan brush, but this one is really nice, really soft. And again, I'm not seeing any kind of shedding from it at all, so that I like. Then we have 3 others in the set here. Now this one I will probably never use because I just don't use these little foam applicators that come in like some of the low-end brushes. Now this one is super soft, I will give it that. It is like really soft, but I just don't see me using that one. Next thing in there is, now this one could be used as, it's kind of angled at a little bit there, if you can tell. This one I would say would be used as an eyebrow brush to kind of flare it all out. And then you have one other one that has the 2 ends to it, so you have where you can kind of brush out your eyelashes, and then another part for the brow as well. So that is really nice. Like I said, I'm very excited about using those brushes. They're all super soft, so that is a plus. Let me get all this plastic out the way, because like I said, not going to use any of that, and not going to use the case, so I'm going to just fold it up and put it up somewhere, and then those brushes will just go into my brush holder with the rest of them. Alright, so the next thing in the bag is from Terra. This is the Mineral Cosmetics bronzer. So sweep on some sunshine, a silky lightweight bronzer that leaves behind a radiant glow, matches every skin tone. Now this retails for $24.99, and I can just say, just from looking at it, it is a nice color, but it looks like it has a whole ton of glitter in it, so there is that. What we will do though, let me go ahead and, I like that it has a little kind of sifter thing on there as well. Let's see if I can't open it up, because I really want to try it and see what it, oh please don't get all over me. Alright, there we go. So I am going to use this angled brush here that we got. Get my mirror real quick out, because like I said, I want to see what this looks like on. So yeah, it does definitely have some sparkle to it, I have to say that, but it is very pretty. Now I already had some bronzer and contour on, so I'm not going to get the full effect with it, with it already having some underneath, but it is still a very nice color, so I do like that. And like I said, these brushes, oh, I love this brush already. Like, it is so soft. Alrighty, so let's see here. I'm gonna push this up without messing it up there. The next thing in the bag is, let's pull these out here real quick. Put that to the side. So it is this Manna Kadar. I don't know how you say that. Manna Kadar Flutter Mascara. So achieve full and curled lashes with this one-of-a-kind curvy wand. This mascara creates an intense curling lash effect with its cutting-edge technology brush tip. And this retail value is for $29.99. Now I do actually already have this mascara on because I did a look earlier, as you can see, and if you'd like to see how I got this look, just check out my previous video on unboxing and trying on my BoxyCharm. I wanted to go ahead and use this mascara to see how it worked, but I will put on a second layer because I only put on one layer whenever I did it. So this is in the color Jet Black, and this is how the wand looks. It is a really big fat wand on the end, but then goes kind of skinny in the middle. So I did like the way that it applied. It definitely seemed to grab all of my lashes there and kind of make them look fuller. I can't say anything about the whole curling effect because I already have like pretty curly lashes. I never have to use a lash curler on them as it is. So I really don't know how well the whole curling part of it goes. The lengthening on it is okay. It's not like my Bad Girl Bang from Benefit mascara, obviously, because that one really does some lashes there. But this is what it looks like. Like I said, it still works pretty good. I will definitely continue to use it, but it will not replace my Bad Girl Bang. I'll tell you that much now. So let's see here, and then the last thing in the bag was the Girlactik mechanical eyeliner. This no smudge or streaking here. This is a waterproof angled eyeliner, twist up and never needs sharpening, and this retails for $19.99, so that's really interesting. And this is in the color gray, which is a unique color, and wow, that is definitely a strange. I'm gonna kind of twist it out some there so you can see how it looks. So it is definitely angled. That would kind of, I'm not sure how. Obviously I already have eyeliner on the top lash line, but I will, since it says it's waterproof, I will put it in my waterline and we'll see how that works. Alright, and kind of zoom in there a little bit so you can see that. It is like a nice kind of slate gray. Do like it though. I am curious as to how well it's going to hold up with it being in the waterline. With it being waterproof though, it should stay put. So I'm not gonna set it with any like gray eyeliner or any gray eyeshadow or anything like that. I want to see how it actually wears and see if it does kind of stay where it should, kind of thing. But overall, so the retail value is $104.96, which is great cost considering you're only paying like $15 for the bag. Now, like I said, this is my very first bag, and they've already impressed me with the whole 12-piece set of brushes, and I've been very interested in the Girlactik beauty brand before. I've never actually used anything from them, so I do like that I got the eyeliner. The bronzer is okay. Like I said, I'm not one for a glittery bronzer that much, but I think on the days when I'm not doing like a whole full makeup look, adding this on will kind of just give it just a little bit more color and kind of give it that sparkle, so I do like it for that. So I'll definitely continue to try this and use it. And again, like I said, with the mascara, it did good. Like I said, it's not blowing me over. It's just mascara, in my opinion. Nothing too dramatic about that. But you can never have too many black mascaras, in my opinion. So I will definitely continue to use that. Well, I thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be reminded the next time I upload. I will list down below all the information about the Yes Oh Yes company, like how you can subscribe to them and everything, and I will put in the description box my code for you to be able to get that 10% off if you want to use it. If you don't, no hard feelings, doesn't bother me one bit, just putting it out there for you. So you have a great day.